Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another Wet n Wild Wild Heart look. This is actually look number 39 and I drew some inspiration from a childhood movie most of you know, Hocus Pocus. So I took elements from each Sanderson sister. It is Hocus Pocus inspired. I love how this came out. I hope you love it too. I just love how many looks we've been able to come up with this palette and keep this series going. Let's get started. I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer to prime my eyes, and then I'm using the Makeup Revolution I Heart Revolution Peach Powder under the eye to catch fallout. And of course we're taking the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the dark purple in the palette, which is in the last row, 5th shade. It's a dark matte plummy purple. So pretty. I'm taking this on a dense crease brush. I'm going to be pressing it against the outer corner and in the inner corner, and pressing it in the crease. Not going all the way in. I will leave a little bit of space towards the inner portion of the crease. And I'm just going to go over this a few times and build it up. Once I have that, I am going to be taking Profusion New Moon Rising eyeshadow palette, only because I wanted to use this beautiful like multi-chrome shadow, and it's not really showing up on camera, but this is a very shifty eyeshadow. It's so stunning. So I'm just going to be taking that on the lid with a eyeshadow brush. It applies really nicely without getting it wet, so I'm just going to kind of go with that, and I'm just going to build that up on the lid. So you can kind of see like we've got Sarah, we've got Mary going on now, and the lower lash is going to be for Winnie. Now I'm going to be taking the pink in this palette, and I'm going to use a tiny bit of that above the crease line, halfway into the crease. And this is going to be in the inner portion of the crease. And once I have that, I'm going to be taking the matte white in the eyeshadow palette. Now that pink that I was referring to is the matte pink from the second row, and the matte is in the first row. And I'm using this white to highlight with and blend out the crease colors. I'm going to build this up a little bit, and I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush for this. So I'm placing the shade, using that to blend around the edges. I'm going to be wiping away fallout, and the next shade I'm taking in the palette is from the bottom row, second eyeshadow, and it's this beautiful emerald green. And I'm taking that on the lower lash line. So basically I just pulled color from their outfits, but I wanted to do like a Halloween-y kind of look, and I think I nailed it in terms of like the Sanderson sisters colors and stuff. I'm pretty happy with how this came out. And that was a Santee gel eyeliner, and I'm using the palette again to pick up the shimmery white in the palette, and it's the only shimmery white in the palette, so I'm using that in the inner corner. I'm going to use this AOA Studio Gel Eyeliner in Seize the Day to tightline with, and these false lashes and AOA Studio Lash Adhesive. The false lashes are from Shein. And I just place those on. Once I have those on, we're going to move on to mascara. This is a mascara from Temu. It's a peach mascara, and this is going to mesh my real lashes with my false lashes. And I am obsessed with this lip. I've been wearing it so much, and I had to wear it today too. But LaColors lip products. One is the matte liquid lip. It's called Vixen, and the other one is called Enticing. Yeah, so that's the finished look. I hope everyone enjoyed today's look, found the video helpful. Maybe try the look out for yourselves. Here I'm sharing with you my manicure. I love how the octopus came out. I stretched it across 3 nails, so I had to share that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. Stay tuned for more videos like these.